Center. Okay, we're here at Asylum Extreme down in southern Indiana. I don't remember. Clarksville, Indiana, just outside of Louisville. And this is the hobby shop where Winston works on the weekend just for fun, to make enough fun money to
pay for my hobbies.
Buy more stuff. And we were looking around through the shelves. We were playing with like RC cars and squirts and flying around in the hobby store. But we came across this guy, the Inductrix Switch Air, which is like a combination of a tiny whip and a wing. Like I've seen it, but I've never actually played with one, and it's pretty incredible. But it doesn't have FPV, and we don't want to mount one on there because this is too small and it doesn't have enough lift. So what we're gonna do is chase the FPV Air around with a squirt and fly this third-person view from the perspective of the squirt. Let's see what happens.
Should be fun.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be horrible. So we're both tuned into Winston's quad, and Winston's gonna chase the plane around the store. So let's see what happens.
Oh, good God.
What the?
That didn't help.
Hold on. Oh, that's probably your prop bar.
Yep, that's prop bar.
I already hate it. Oh man, going too fast. It's hard to see, like... catch up! No!
That didn't last long. Oh, where'd you go?
You get that a lot, don't you? Alright, here we go.
Taking off right at me. There we go, I'm behind you.
Where is it?
I hope I don't get suck you in.
I think it's there against the wall. Hold on, I'll walk.
I see it.
There we go. Yeah. Got him straight in front of us. Full throttle.
Oh God. I'm hoping not.
You're pushing me back into the wall. I need more lift. Okay, we need new batteries. We're switching to the RC car because we need to wait on batteries to charge on the FPV Air thing. So that might be a little bit easier, a little bit better of a warm-up for third-person view driving, flying stuff.
What I'm driving is a Losi. It's the Mini 8 DB, the Desert Buggy Edition, where basically I pulled the cage and everything off of it, a little bit longer wheelbase than the Mini 8 buggy.
I'm not used to having zoom lenses.
I know, it's nice. Do you want me to go over how I have, like, what setup I have in there or anything?
He's flying the squirt. I'm looking at the squirt. He's looking at the squirt. RC car's over there. Here we go.
Wow, yours is heavy.
And I already crashed.
Oh God.
And Winston's crashing.
Just run the course.
It's flat. We're staying in the middle of the course. Right over my foot. Hey, look at that.
It's working.
Just try to keep that consistent pace.
Okay.
Whoa! I hit myself and him. I don't know where it is.
I'm coming.
This is awesome.
It's working really well, actually.
I have the depth perception now.
Yeah.
I hit it! I hit the sword.
Oh boy. This would be a really good team race. Get two setups like this. Ah!
Turtle is really...
Evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't see this. In fact, you and I
This would be a
are
great team race.
Yeah.
evidence.
It'd be even better if you do a relay after 2 laps and switch controllers.
Oh, so you have to do both
Yeah.
sides of the... Oh, look at that turn.
Yeah. Oh, you got it.
Good thing I was gonna make that. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get it. Yeah.
Picking up too much speed. Go. Oh, no.
Way overshot.
With some practice, like you can really get this down. Especially with somebody who's better on the car, on the wheel, yeah.
That's so rough. You can't tell how close you are.
Yeah, I'm kind of guessing here. Oh no!
I'm coming for you.
Ah!
Oh, this battery's squishy.
Oh no.
Oh, this battery. Yeah, this battery's going down. Oh, that wasn't too bad. You actually did a lot better after we got a lap or two in. Everything makes the squirt look so small.
It was not as bad as I thought.
It went a lot better. After we got like 2 laps in, I could tell we started getting the groove together and it started flowing. But depth perception, that would be hard to drive from.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, when we're going down the straight and he was like sideways of me, like coming down the side, I couldn't tell if I needed to go right or left, even though he was still like a quarter back behind me. And then what else? Like it was hard to figure out when to turn at the end of a straight too, because I would usually get a little speed and he would be keeping that consistent pace. But what worked best in general was to always have us like kind of trying to keep a consistent throttle, a consistent pace all the way through, and then it actually felt really natural. It felt like I was watching. It felt like I was watching footage.
Yeah,
but I happened to be driving it too. So
yeah, that was fun.
Great. Try it again. This time Winston's gonna fly that FPV air thing and I'm gonna fly the squirt, because maybe this will work better. It won't. It's way harder than he thinks. Here we go. Too bad.
Fuck, that's like full throttle.
I know.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, there we go, some speed.
Oh, it didn't last long. All right.
Giggity.
Oh, there's like no. Give me lift. It's not working so well. Full throttle.
What's the matter? You can't get it up?
Can't get it up. That's all the higher I can get it. Ah! That didn't sound good. Other pieces. There it goes. There. All right, here we go. Try this again.
You can do it. Oh, look at that. He's bobbing and weaving. Oh, he has a string. Oh my gosh, you're going so fast.
I hear that a lot too.
There we go. Whoa!
Oh, price tag.
The price is not right.
Full throttle. No love.
It's like a turbine.
All right.
What's
Yeah.
the name of it?
All right. Think. Oh, maybe. No, it's blinking. New battery.
Hey,
It's
fly,
blinking.
hey, fly, dude, do it like Mario Kart, bro. You have to fly over this air pocket and it's gonna butt y'all out the air, boy.
All right. Take 2.
Attempt 2.
Attempt 2.
Attempt 3.
Let's go. Oh, this one's got some go. Uh-oh.
Sucked it in.
That didn't take long. There we go. Full throttle. Full throttle.
You're gonna have to.
Oh, I can back it up. Sweet. All right, take off.
I put a bolt on one of these and spoke for years in like 20 minutes.
Oh, get up, get up, get up. Yeah! Oh, God. All right, backing up, backing up.
Back that ass up.
Bam. All right, here we go.
The dip is just a transmission. You put metal gears in it for
Nope. Oh, dude, these batteries are so shit.
I wouldn't even rush it, but it wasn't gonna last 2 seconds. Both turns gonna make it.
All right, let me let the battery rest for a second.
No, both turns will wake it up. It's slow right now.
Second attempt went a little bit better, but I think it's more of these batteries are tired and or not big enough for these. But no, it worked out pretty well. It's a lot of fun. You have to kind of plan ahead and know where to go, but if you trust it and go with it, it's actually doable.
Hey guys, sorry for the random change of scenery. Sorry we didn't do a conclusion while we were out filming this. Winston had to run and get to work, and we just had to get everything wrapped up and going. Also, this is not my usual place. I'm out here in DC for the Andrews Air Force Base Air Show, or the Joint Air Force or Joint Base Air Show. Something like that. So if you're in DC or around the DC area, come hang out, check it out. We're going to be doing a big DRL booth and stuff because Air Force and the Drone Racing League have a partnership together. And so if you want to come out and hang out and check that out, let me know. In addition, if you like this video where we're doing some more like random kinds of stuff, off meta FPV, I'd love to know if you enjoyed that, and if you want to see more, or if you have different kinds of challenges or something that you want to see, let us know, and we're definitely going to go make that happen. So thanks very much for checking this out. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay flying.